All right, now it's time for the for loop. Okay, now actually for loop in Python is like this. The syntax is for, then put the variable you want in this thing, and here you put a bracket, and you want to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and put the colon here, and don't forget to put it inside the indentation. So here let's print I, and you can see that if I print I here, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so let's check this out actually. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, as expected. All right, so far so good. Now if I return here actually, and I print I here outside of the for indentation, so let's have a look what will happen. You can see that this is from the inside the for loop, and the outside of the loop is 5, as you can see, which is the final value of the I, because I is a variable after all, and its final value is 5. Okay, so that's why it got printed as a 5. All right, that's it.